Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change alert sound on a Tradingview. Really easy and simple. First things first, of course, you're going to be logged in. And then you're going to come to this page and just open up your chart. Okay, click here, open up chart. If you don't see this menu, just click here on this alert icon. So click on that, click on open chart. Now, once we have opened our chart, let me first set an alert for you and show you how you can change the sound settings. So right here, we have the option here to set an alert. Click here. So we're going to create an alert on Apple. So I'll leave this for now because you can go ahead and customize it according to your needs. What I'm more interested is in the notification section. So you turn on this if you already have the app, notify an app, show toast notification in the page corner like this. And then what you want to do is click on play sound. Okay, very important. Click on play sound. Then you want to go ahead and choose the audio sound. You can go ahead and listen to different ones. So example, if you want to listen to this, click here. As an example, it's another one here. Let me pause this. You can go ahead and choose nature sounds, for example. If that helps you, how many times you want it to play, maybe for a whole minute. And then you just want to go ahead and click on create right here. Really that easy and simple, and you will have created an alert. Okay, and if you want to change it, what you can do is click on settings, come here, change the sound. For example, let's do a chirpy sound. I like that more. Let's do that. Save that. And if I go and check, it has been changed. Really that easy and simple, guys. I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.